Hello to all my nice, beautiful, lovely people. Guess what? It's another episode of Allotment Gardening here in the lovely Edlington in Doncaster. And it's your boy Johann. So thank you so much to all my wonderful viewers, those who comment, those who like my video. You really appreciate it. And if it's the first time here, or if you have not subscribed as yet to this channel, please go ahead, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, because we try to give you nice content, realistic content all the time. And so today is the 17th of October. I'm actually been a bit busy, so with other things, so I've not been in the allotment much. But it's middle of October, and we have a bit of harvesting to do, because the days are definitely getting colder and the nights are getting longer. So I thought, what, we've been here in and out, but let me do a little video today, because it would not be the same if I harvest this lovely pumpkins behind me without showing you guys you know my harvest. So I think we have about 1 2 3 4 5, a couple of pumpkins to be harvested. We actually had 2 pumpkins already, and which was for my belly, so went in soups and curries, things like that. People use their pumpkins for Halloween, to do the lighting and all that, but for me, my pumpkins is for my belly. Yeah, so here we go. Let's see what we have today. Right, so that's more or less it. We have 2 4 6 lovely pumpkins. These ones were just seeds. We got it from seeds that we got. So we bought some pumpkins for from the market, and used the seeds to grow these ones. But the yellow ones were seeds that we bought from the shop. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. We had the yellow ones already. They were quite very nice, and so I guess we'll try the green ones. I think they call those ones squash over here, and the yellow ones are called pumpkins. Yeah, but we'll see. It's more or less it. The garden is looking beautiful, being prepared for the winter. You know, still a bit of harvesting to be done. You know, there's some beans, you know, but that's all for today. So I was saying, so please like, subscribe, share the video, because you see how beautiful the garden is. So you know there'll be some amazing videos, you know, to come, you know, in the next season. Well, we'll try to do a couple more before the season ends, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So remember, the only thing that's stopping you from success is might be, you know, the bed, you know, or the couch, or the phone, you know. So yeah, don't let anything get in your way from of success. You know, until next time, you know, peace. Love you guys.